Hey there, welcome to Anstack.in. In this video, we are going to talk about var. We have already talked about dynamic and var is something similar to that. So let's see how that is similar. So first of all, we will define a variable with the var keyword and we will give some value. So let's give the Nitish, which is the string. Now if I want to give some integer, let's give that. If I want to give some double, let's give that. If I want to give some bool, let's give that. So here you can see that we have given different value in it and there is no error. So when we are defining any variable with the var keyword, we can uh, put any value in it. Like we are storing the string here, we are storing integer here, we are storing double here, and we are storing bool here. And this is how the dynamic also works. So first of all, I will print this. So how we can print that? By writing the dot space file name. You can see that we are getting this. So now what I want to do, I just want to show you the runtime type. If you remember, there is a runtime type which you can apply on any variable. When you apply that, this is going to tell you the data type or the type of that variable at runtime. So let's run this and yeah, so it is saying that at this point it is a string because string is stored. After that it become integer, after that it become double, now it's false at the end. So I hope you got the point, and this is how the dynamic also work. So if I will run this by making that dynamic, this is still the same, but then what is the difference between them? So the difference is here. So suppose if I define it, and after defining it, if I give it some initial value like cat, which is a string. So now the data type of name has been string. Like if you will bring the cursor here, you will see that it is written string here. And if I remove the initial value, no, that's fine. If I bring the cursor at this point, when we are storing the integer, it is going to say string. So now the data type of name has been fixed to string. We cannot store any value other than string. So suppose if I make it as dynamic, so now if I will bring cursor, it is going to say dynamic. Now I hope you got some of the point. Like when we are having the dynamic, if we initialize this value with some value, the data type is not going to be fixed, which means we can give some other data type also, like we can give integer also, you can see here. But if we make it as var, now the data type has been fixed. It is string, it is string, it is string all the time. But if I remove the, like while declaring the value, if we do not initialize this with some value, so now if I will bring the cursor here, it is again saying dynamic. So if you if you declare a variable using var keyword and do not initialize with any data, then it's same as dynamic. But if you initialize it with some data, then the data of the data which you have initialized, its data type is going to be the fixed to that variable. So if I make integer here, you can see that now the name has been given the integer as its data type. So for this integer line, there is no error. If we try to give some double value, or if we try to give some bool value, it is going to say that the name is of type int and it is only going to accept integer. So I hope I made my point clear that what is the difference between var and dynamic, and you have seen or learned this using a practical example or by seeing a practical example. Still you face any problem, let me know. If I could help,